Okay, just stop. We already know, in terms of a dude being attractive, that you gotta be caring and smart and intelligent and in touch with your emotional side and a good dancer. But I wanna know the real answer. What is a male physical feature that makes dudes wildly attractive? Come on, let's get to the bottom of it. We're Salon Posta and gonna make it happen. What? What's up? In your opinion, what is a male physical feature that makes him wildly, not just like average, I'm talking wildly attractive?
His thighs.
Thighs?
Good legs.
Ooh, what about
Soccer
calves?
legs. Huh?
Calves?
Yeah, like Cristiano Ronaldo. You see his legs? That's what I like.
A good beard or a mustache.
Woo!
Yeah, baby.
Anything else? Body part?
A big wiener. I'm just kidding.
What do you think?
His eyes.
Eyes?
Eyes. 100%.
Why?
Sexy, glaring eyes.
Woo! What is a male physical feature that makes him wildly, not like average, I'm talking wildly attractive?
Someone who's tall and
How tall?
6 feet.
6 feet?
Yeah.
Okay, you can, hey, this is wild attraction
Yeah.
here.
And then good hair.
Good hair. Well, what should somebody do if they're starting to lose it?
Go to Bosley.
Smile.
Smile?
Yeah. Inviting or not inviting.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, give me another one.
But
That's perfect. What about a butt?
I don't know. Just like a nice little tushy.
Deep voice.
Deep voice.
Like muscles.
Muscles?
Look strong.
Strong.
You know?
Biceps, like what muscles specifically?
Biceps.
Big biceps?
I don't really care as much about abs, but just big arms.
I think your biceps. I think when you got some good arms, oh, it's hot.
What about forearms?
Oh, forearms too, yeah. Any sort of like muscle, but not like too bulky, not like bodybuilder, like huge swole. More just like some good fit, nice arms.
Ooh, I love it. Most attractive male physical feature. It's all right, Zach. It's all right.
I'm gonna say their overall physique, because if you take the time to go to the gym and eat right, you're gonna look good, and that's a plus.
Is there a specific muscle though that you notice on dudes?
Their butts. So do your squats, because I see that when you walk away.
So, what is a male physical feature that makes a man wildly, not like average, I'm talking wildly attractive?
That long, luscious, curly hair.
Really?
That's my favorite thing in a man.
Nice hair, long hair?
Nice, long, curly hair.
Woo!
I do love a guy with good hair, so, you know, like wash your hair, do your hair.
What if somebody's actually losing it? What would you recommend?
Bosley, of course. What else would I recommend? You're gonna feel good, and then you're gonna have that confidence, and then if nothing else works, shave your head.
Hair is the sexiest. Go to Bosley.
Guys, just go to Bosley.
Did somebody say Bosley? Gentlemen, yes, they said Bosley because they know, like I know, and now you're gonna know. Bosley's today's video sponsor, and they're also the OG when it comes to hair loss and hair restoration. They've been in the hair loss business for over 45 years. Why does this matter? Reason is because when it comes to you and your hair, in order for it to look the best it possibly can, you don't want to trust somebody that's just gotten into the business 3 years ago or some tech startup. Are you kidding me? Gentlemen, Bosley is the only company that I trust with my hair, and they're the only company I would recommend you check out. If you are starting to thin, you're starting to recede, you've already lost your hair, Bosley is a solution for you at any stage of hair loss. And they also have an incredible offer for you. Guys, there's a special link down below this video. If you go through that link, you're going to get to download the completely free guide to hair loss and hair restoration. You're also going to get a totally free $250 Bosley gift card, which you can actually use at Bosley when you actually go in, sit down, make an appointment, and talk to the Bosley counselor about you and your hair loss.
Just hit the link.
So help me understand something for a second, because I'm not that smart. Technically, I am smart enough to know that Bosley is where I would go if I was starting to actually lose my hair, which is where you should go. Gentlemen, here's the thing that drives me crazy, right? Hair loss is one of the biggest confidence killers in men, and it's totally treatable and preventable. So why wouldn't you do it? Why would you wait? Why would you just ignore something that you know is actually happening? Have you been looking at pictures, right? And that's one of the other things. We take so many damn pictures nowadays, you can actually track your hair loss. Look back a few years. Is your hairline the same, or is it a little bit thinner? Has it receded? Gentlemen, now is the time. Take action. Do not wait. Guys, hit that special link down below and get that free guide. Also, grab the $250 Bosley gift card. Hair loss is treatable, and Bosley can help you get your real hair back. But it takes you taking action and being honest with yourself, your hair, and your hair loss. Do not wait, because the sooner you act, the sooner you start, the sooner you're going to be able to get your real hair back.
Guys, what are you waiting for? Click that link.
Do you think these guys are happy they went to Bosley?
Someone who's tall, hair, like they have to have good hair,
What is it?
good teeth.
Okay, you can't say smile. Everybody say
No,
smile.
it's not a smile. It's not the smile. It's the teeth themselves.
Ooh, good teeth?
Yeah. Like they gotta be not necessarily straight, but just like not janky, I guess. But like
All
I
right.
don't know if that makes sense.
That makes sense. That makes sense. All right, give me another one. Nice.
Good eyebrows.
Ooh, eyebrows.
Yeah, clean, but not like
Feminine.
yeah, exactly.
Say
Just
clean,
like
not feminine.
yeah, clean, not feminine.
Or anything else?
I like tattoos. So
Tattoos?
those are a good one. Yeah.
Tattoos are sexy?
Yes, very much so. Tattoos are very sexy.
Male physical feature that makes him wildly attractive. Not just like average attractive, wildly attractive.
I could go for a nose ring.
Nose
I
ring?
like a nose ring, yeah.
Really? Zach, you got a nose ring? Let me see your nose ring. What? Maybe, what do you think? This nose? No. Like extra amazingly sexy.
I would say their skin. So if they have like a face that's not taken care of, they probably don't take care of other things. So a guy's skin, if they look nice.
Gentlemen, speaking of long hair, look at this, right? He is about to actually cut it all off and donate it to where?
Kids without hair.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Kids, I thought it was like Locks of Love.
Locks of Love is another one, yeah.
Really?
But it's kids without hair.
right there.
Yeah.
Really? So that is pretty awesome. Very inspiring. So Courtney, I'm going to ask you a question. What is a male physical feature that makes him like wildly attractive?
Okay, it's like a big trend right now.
Can I say-
love when guys wear nail polish. I love
Really?
it so much. I think it looks so sick and badass. And like, I've even seen guys do like all different types of colors, or even if it's just black. It's like my emo little heart just like
Your
flutters
emo
at
heart?
it. I
Your
love
emo
it.
heart? Let me see your nails.
Yeah, you've got no paint on.
What?
Nah.
Awesome.
There's one.
Woo!
So many little ponytails.
So many.
Mini little mini ponytails. That's awesome.
Smile.
I need, okay. We need something better than smile. Everybody's like, smile. Something, come on, be honest.
I don't care about muscles that much. I actually prefer the dad bod. So just
Dad
being
bod.
yourself, honestly.
Okay, okay.
That's it for me.
What about nice legs?
I don't look at their legs.
Biceps?
Maybe biceps.
Really?
Biceps are good.
about-
I like seeing them bicep.
What about
especially-
pecs? What do you think? Most attractive male feature. Ladies?
But
But